I've seen some of the greatest woodworking hacks online recently, but I've also seen some pretty rough ones. So today, I'm gonna be testing out the worst woodworking hacks that I could find. Okay, we are torching a screw. And then we're that's it. And then they torched a screw and they screwed it in. I don't know why, maybe it makes it go in easier. I don't really have problems with getting screws in, but let's light it on fire. I've got my screw with pliers. What's the point of this?
I think it makes it go in easier.
I don't know if it will. I mean, it's not that hard to go in usually. This is dangerous. Don't do this, guys. It's fun though, I'll say that. It is fun. Well, I don't know what it did. I mean, it smoked. The smoke is in my lungs now.
Did it feel easier?
I think it took a couple years off my life, but I know it didn't feel easier, believe it or not.
Rate it.
Rate it? How? None. No points. 0. All right, so it looks like we've just got a scrap piece of wood and we are screwing a blade onto it. Okay, and now we're gonna use that blade to spread glue. That was a very short clip. Oh, all right. And then I guess I just stick this in here with a little bit of an overlap. I don't know how they did this. For safety reasons, I've clamped it to the workbench because I cut my finger on this, so don't do this. Okay, there we go. All right, so there's a little bit of an overlap there, and that's the saw blade. So I don't know. Let's go. All right, let's give it a go. Awesome.
Oh, it's really getting it in.
No, we're doing it. This is awesome. Here, let me try a different angle. Like, okay, yeah, nice.
Do you feel stupid yet?
No, I feel great. I feel DIY hack ready. This is. What is going on? I give it a -3. This is horrible. It looked better in the video. It seemed like they did a better job spreading it. So maybe this is user error. Maybe this is my fault and not theirs. 0, -4. This is awful. Okay, so we are cutting a milk jug. Didn't really tell me how to cut the milk jug, but it looks like the top of the milk jug is where the drill goes through. All right, I don't like this at all. Why? What? Okay, so we're gonna put our drill in an empty milk jug? They drew it out in the video, but I'm not doing that. I'm just going for it. Wow, that smells so bad.
Oh, that does smell horrible.
This milk curdled, and that's why we had to dump it out. Oh, it smells so bad. Okay. So I guess that, and then this will come into there, through the top. So I guess I gotta cut some lines here. Forgive me if it doesn't look good. I'm not a big milk jug cutter, usually. You know what? I'm excited. I think this is gonna be really nice. Let's take that top off. You can see the curdled milk on the inside. That's awful. This handle will go on my waist belt, and then, right. You know, I love the idea of going, that was not good.
First generation Ryobi.
Oh, these things are dinosaurs. This is probably worth some money. But hey, they don't make them like they used to. It still works great. Maybe they do make them like I don't know. Let's try again. I feel like we should try again. So just like, you know, you're working on a house. Let's say you're framing up a house or something. I don't know if you even use a drill for that, but boom. Look at that. Bang. Just talking with the boys like, yeah, how's everyone's day going? And then someone looks down, they go, hey man, are you in financial trouble? Do you need us to buy you something? You don't need to be using your milk jug. All right, he's wearing a glove. Oh, he put a magnet under the glove, and now it holds nails. Okay, right, so he doesn't have to hold them. Well, let's give it a go. Got my glove on. I never wear gloves in the shop. Someone told me you're not supposed to because it gives you like false confidence of safety, but we're gonna use gloves in the shop. We lost our magnet. Where'd our magnet go? I put it right here with getting ready for the video.
Is it stuck to one of these?
Those crazy bits. Oh, it's on the scissors. We're using a smaller magnet, but I don't think it'll matter. So, I mean, this is odd. I don't know how this is gonna stay, but there's my magnet. Well, let's see how many of those actually. Oh, that's not bad for that tiny little magnet. That's not bad at all. But I could never see myself drilling in, stopping, taking one off the hand. I mean, we got pockets for a reason. I could just see this being like an OSHA violation, like you're on the job site. You give Randy a fist bump, Randy's now at the hospital. I don't know, it works. We use a strong magnet, but I don't know, like we'll go 3.3. 3.3 out of 10 for that one. All right, so we've got a tape measure, gonna put some hot glue on it, all right, and then glue a pencil to it. Okay, so this is just a makeshift marker. So I guess the idea here is if you want a 16-inch mark, then you go like that, but I mean, a 19-inch mark. Okay, I guess it's not horrible, but then again, this is kind of coming off the table, so you're not flush, you're still kind of eyeballing it everywhere. I don't know. It's fine, it's not great. I mean, if you don't need exact measurements, I guess it's totally fine. I don't recommend it, but I'm gonna give it a 6.4 out of 10. Okay, so I guess you can't get the bolt off? Right, okay, so instead of getting the bolt off with a wrench, we're gonna go ahead and zip tie to some pliers. I mean, I can unscrew it like this, but I guess for the video, I need to act like I can't to show their hack. Let me get the zip tie on first. And then I'll put this around where I want it to go. I'll hold tight. Again, pretending I can't just get it off like this. And then I'll...
Really get it tight on there.
Yeah, that's nice and tight. Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh, it's working now. Not like it wasn't working before, but it's working now, guys.
But what, the zip tie replaces your hand?
I don't know what the zip tie replaces, but I could also tell you that you can just use a wrench. Also, how often are bolts getting stuck? I'm gonna be honest. I think an adjustable wrench might be your best option here. Yeah, that's horrible. 0. 0 out of 10. Okay, drills a hole, doesn't look that great. Yep, so what we're gonna do, roll up some sandpaper, okay. That's 1200 grit sandpaper, is that what I just saw? Oh, and now he's just putting it right into the chuck of the drill. I can't imagine that this works. All right, I got my hole drilled. Now I'm gonna roll up some sandpaper. And now we're gonna put in our chuck. Okay, let's give it a go. All right, here we go. I mean, the sandpaper is just breaking on the chuck. I mean, I guess it did work a little bit, but it didn't work well. There's no stability to this at all. I mean, this is also an option to do it by hand. I guess it's less fun, but you could absolutely roll up a piece of sandpaper and do it by hand. And do it better. So I'm giving this one a 4 out of 10. That's all I could stand today. That was rough. I don't know, I had fun though, but thank you for watching. Let me know what your favorite was, and let me know if you see any other horrible hacks or good hacks that you want us to try. We'd love to try them out. So send those to us if you got them, but that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. It was fun. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, comment down below any other videos you'd like us to make. I'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you like that video, you can click right here to see how I made a bowl with the table saw only, and you can click right here to look at our most recent video.